Good afternoon, this is Tina. Last video we show you how to serve a huge file using asynchronous API, but that is also not a good solution because it doesn't matter it's asynchronous or synchronous. It matters is the file. If we're still using asynchronous API, it will also read the entire file at once. Okay, it cannot do streaming. The better way is we talk about when we do an introduction on the stream. Stream is used to serve the huge collection of the data, right? And so our second solution is to using a stream, but this stream is not that very nice because it requires lots of code. So for second solution, I just copy the structure. Okay, this is structure to create a server, right? The main thing is inside how we serve the file. So here we will create we're gonna using a stream, create a read stream to this big dot file. Okay, read this one. If you are on a Mac, you have to change it, or other operating system, you have to change this slash to match your operating system. So the better solution is using the path. I'm lazy, I don't want to go through those difficulties. Okay, and to do the stream, this is one way, which is you listen for different event. And when we do stream, it have many events. The one we are gonna using here is a data, which means a chunk of data is ready. What are we gonna do? And the other one is when the chunk is when we finish reading this piece of chunk, what are we gonna do? And the other one is when the data is finished reading, what are we gonna do? So we attach callback function. Okay, this callback, there's no error. Okay, you have to the first argument is a data. Okay, so here what we're gonna do is we're gonna write the data into our browser. Okay, so if not write successfully, we just pause. src.pause. Which means stop a little bit. After I finish, then we do. Okay, and the next one is src.on event, which is a join event, and which is after I read all of them, what we should do, we just resume, continue streaming or read. Okay, last one is this one is called the end. And here we're using res.end, which means everything is done. Okay, and this is one way. This is the one way to using the stream. We create a readable stream to read this file, and you can, when we create a readable stream, we can also have a high watermark, right? You can set how many bytes you want to read per chunk. Okay, and then here is all the event we listened, and let's take a look at if it works. Node solution 2.js file running successfully. Now we are open our Firefox, and we are listening on 3000. So go to 3000. So it's gonna do like this. Once it done a bit of chunk, it's gonna stream. Okay, the file is very big, so it's continue loading now. Okay, so that's a one-way solution to using a stream. Do you like it? I don't like, because you have so many code need to write, right? This is not a good way to do. Okay, so next solution, I will show you another way to do the streaming, and probably you already know. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.